What if your packing cubes could weigh your clothes, track your location, and save space in your bag? Today, I'm reviewing the smartest packing cubes of 2025 that do exactly that. Travel in 2025 has become a showcase for technological innovation, and nowhere is this more evident than in the latest generation of smart packing cubes. For years, travelers have relied on packing cubes to organize their luggage, but recent advancements have transformed these humble accessories into sophisticated travel companions. Leading brands, innovative features, and new materials have converged to make packing cubes not just practical, but essential for tech-savvy travelers. Today, we're reviewing the newest smart packing cubes of 2025, highlighting their cutting-edge capabilities, security enhancements, and eco-friendly breakthroughs that are reshaping the travel accessory market. Let's begin with a look at the market leaders. Brands including Away, Samsara, and TravelPro have set the pace for innovation, each introducing smart luggage systems that integrate seamlessly with their packing cubes. Away's latest series, for example, comes equipped with embedded GPS trackers, allowing travelers to monitor the exact location of their packing cubes and luggage in real time. In an era where luggage theft has surged by an alarming 20% in 2025, this feature delivers peace of mind and practical security. No longer do travelers need to worry about lost or stolen bags going untraceable. The new GPS-enabled packing cubes offer instant updates via smartphone apps, putting control back in the hands of the traveler. Beyond security, smart packing cubes now boast built-in charging ports. It's not uncommon for travelers to find themselves in transit, at airports, train stations, or remote hotels, where access to power outlets is limited. The latest packing cubes from Samsara include high-capacity USB charging ports discreetly built into the cube's frame, allowing users to recharge smartphones, tablets, or wireless headphones directly from their luggage. This innovation helps streamline the travel experience, transforming packing cubes from passive storage solutions into active participants in your journey. Organization is another area where technology is making a remarkable impact. The 2025 models feature modular designs that adapt to a variety of travel needs. TravelPro's modular cube system lets users reconfigure their cubes for short business trips or extended vacations with ease. Magnetic connectors and flexible dividers enable travelers to separate clean and dirty clothes, electronics, toiletries, and even shoes within the same system. This flexibility not only saves space, but also eliminates the frustration of rummaging through luggage during check-ins or security inspections. Digital scales are another recent addition, now available in many top-tier smart packing cubes. Overpacking is a common problem, often leading to unexpected fees at the airport. With built-in digital weight sensors, travelers can quickly check the weight of each cube or the entire suitcase before leaving home. The weight readings sync directly to a mobile device, letting users adjust and repack as needed to avoid exceeding airline restrictions. It's a subtle yet powerful feature that underscores the commitment of manufacturers to make travel smoother and more predictable. Security, too, has evolved beyond GPS tracking. Some smart packing cubes now feature biometric locks, which use fingerprint recognition to secure access. The system is simple. Register your fingerprint with the cube's onboard sensor, and only authorized users can open it. This is especially useful for carrying sensitive items, such as travel documents or expensive electronics. In 2025, as travel becomes more global and diverse, the need for robust security features has never been greater. Biometric authentication delivers an extra layer of protection, ensuring that your valuables remain safe wherever your journey takes you. Sustainability is another significant trend shaping the development of smart packing cubes. With growing awareness of the environmental impact of travel, brands are responding by introducing eco-friendly materials and production processes. The eco-friendly essentials. Eco-packs, for instance, are crafted entirely from recycled plastics and sustainable fibers. These cubes are lightweight, durable, and water-resistant, offering high performance without compromising on environmental responsibility. The rise of such products signals a shift in consumer preferences, as travelers demand gear that aligns with their values. The emphasis on sustainability extends to packaging and end-of-life solutions as well. Many 2025 packing cubes are shipped in recyclable or biodegradable packaging, reducing waste. Some brands have introduced take-back programs, allowing customers to return old cubes for recycling or repurposing. The focus on circular design ensures that the life cycle of these accessories is thoughtfully managed, minimizing the ecological footprint of travel. Let's delve deeper into how these innovations enhance the travel experience. Imagine arriving at your destination and needing to quickly access a change of clothes, your laptop, or toiletries. With modular smart packing cubes, organization is intuitive. Each item has its designated space, and the cube's transparent panels make it easy to see what's inside without opening them. RFID blocking linings are now commonplace, protecting your credit cards and passports from electronic theft. The integration of these features means that smart packing cubes are not just containers, but active guardians of your belongings. The companion mobile apps that come with many smart packing cubes are equally impressive. These apps allow users to track the location of their cubes, monitor battery levels, and even receive alerts if a cube is opened unexpectedly. Some systems can be programmed with travel itineraries, sending reminders to repack or check the weight of your luggage prior to departure. The digital connectivity transforms travel from a series of stressful tasks into a streamlined, automated process. For business travelers, the benefits are especially pronounced. Quick access to devices and documents is crucial, and smart packing cubes with dedicated compartments for laptops, power banks, and cables ensure that everything remains organized and protected. The built-in charging ports mean that your device's amenities are always ready to go, keeping you productive on the move. Meanwhile, the cube's sleek designs complement modern luggage, making a professional impression at every stage of your journey. Leisure travelers, too, are reaping the rewards of these advancements. Packing cubes designed for family travel include color-coded panels and adjustable dividers, making it easy to separate children's clothes, snacks, and toys. The GPS tracking feature offers reassurance for parents, ensuring that no bag goes missing during hectic transfers. Eco-friendly options let families travel responsibly, teaching children the importance of sustainability from a young age. As we look to the future, it's clear that smart packing cubes are becoming integral to the way we travel. The convergence of security, connectivity, organization, and sustainability is redefining the travel accessory market. With brands continually pushing the envelope, travelers in 2025 can expect even more intelligent features, perhaps voice-activated compartments, solar-powered charging systems, or AI-driven packing recommendations. In summary, the best smart packing cubes of 2025 are a testament to the transformative power of technology. From GPS-enabled security to eco-friendly materials, these accessories deliver unmatched convenience, efficiency, and peace of mind. For travelers seeking the ultimate blend of innovation and practicality, investing in smart packing cubes from leading brands like Away, Samsara, and Travel Pro is a step towards smarter, safer, and more sustainable journeys. As travel continues to evolve, smart packing cubes stand out as the must-have high-tech gadget for adults, making every trip better organized, more secure, and environmentally conscious. If you found this video helpful, please like this video. For more product specifications and pricing, click on the link below this video to shop on Amazon now, and you will be taken right to the product page. More breaking high-tech news is available on our blog at besthightechgadgetsforadults.com. Don't forget to subscribe now to our YouTube channel, Best High-Tech Gadgets for Adults. Stay tuned to High-Tech Gadgets News for more in-depth reviews and updates on the latest high-tech releases.